First, we have some job types in Deloitte. They were tax and consulting, audit, risk and financial advisory, AI analytics, and cloud. When it comes to audit, the company will take up some. Then, if we have a client, our company makes up, take up all accounts and manage their taxes to as minimum as possible. And for cloud, and most of the AI cloud were used by DevOps engineers and AI analytics. They will take data scientists and machine learning engineers. Skills we need to get into Deloitte. First, statistical skills, communication skills. For the management part and for the accounting part, we need these mathematical skills, and we just need mathematical skills and just communication for that. And for the AI and AI analytics and for cloud computing, we need DevOps engineering and data science and machine learning. And the average salaries for the Deloitte were here. Most popular roles was consultant, senior consultant, and analyst. And for the management part, assistant manager, deputy manager. And mathematics one, assistant associate analyst, senior analyst, and data scientist. And the things we need to learn the following, like for DevOps we need to learn Python, Amazon Web Services or Azure or Kubernetes or Docker for the DevOps part. And for data analytics we need to learn Python, statistics, and machine learning. And for audit and consultancy we need statistics, accounting, communication, and accounting software means Excel. Why do we choose Deloitte? It was a different type of work compared to other tech companies. Like we work for mostly for the data part, for accounting and tax consulting, and we manage everything, like every data of some big companies. And global reach, Deloitte has presence over 150 countries and may have the opportunity to work with international programs or on-site programs in company. And career development has variety of training and development programs as well as mentorship opportunities in it. And compensation and benefits, Deloitte offers some competitive salaries and benefits packages, and also Deloitte provides us a subsidy on fuels, or it will give some good amount of money for buying electronics for every year. And recruitment process, we need to take a written test like aptitude test, and then if we pass the test we will move on to group discussion where they will see our confidence and how we can reach out to other person's perspective. And next, if we pass the group discussion, we will move on to technical interview where the all coding part is done, and finally we will reach HR round. Thank you everyone.